Red Magic 7S series launch date has been confirmed. Nubia will be holding a launch event for the Red Magic 7S and Red Magic 7S Pro at 3 p.m. on July 11th in China. The specifications of these smartphones are already known since they have surfaced in the database of Tennis certification platform. Apart from confirming the launch date, the company has also released the official renders of the Red Magic 7S Pro. The device shown is the Red Magic 7S Pro handset. The silver-colored transparent rear of the phone features an RGB lit centrifugal fan with up to 20,000 RPM, a triple camera unit with LED flash, and an air inlet in the upper half. For an enhanced gaming experience, it features gaming trigger buttons on its right spine. The remaining part of the phone's back confirms that the Red Magic 7S Pro is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, 5000 mAh battery, and ICE 10.0 liquid cooling technology, which can be activated using the red switch available on the left edge. The Red Magic branding and its logo can be seen at the center of the Red Magic 7S Pro. The front view of the phone reveals that it is equipped with an under-display selfie camera. The tender listing of the Red Magic 7S Pro has revealed that it will feature a 6.8-inch OLED Full HD Plus display with an in-screen fingerprint scanner. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 powered device will offer up to 18 gigs of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. It will run on Android 12 OS and Red Magic UI. It will feature an 8-megapixel or 16-megapixel under-display selfie camera and 64-megapixel triple rear cameras. It will house a 5000 mAh battery. It is expected to offer other features such as a 165Hz refresh rate and 135 or 165-watt fast charging support. The Red Magic 7S Pro is expected to come with support for a 120Hz refresh rate, an 8-megapixel front camera, and a 4500 mAh battery with 120-watt fast charging. The rest of the specs will be identical to the Pro model. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these rumors were interesting for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.